Wow. I'm saying wow. But some of you guys out there are saying wow. Wow, mommy, milkies. Here's the issue. All right. You know what? Actually, I am kind of saying wow also, because now that I realize it, all the stuff coming out of my mouth, I'm kind of having a temper tantrum. Some of you guys have been having temper tantrums over the content I'm producing over on my Instagram because I have been put in the doghouse over there. That's right. I've been shadow banned. I've been shunned. A lot of my 29,000 followers aren't seeing my content, and it's because a portion of you guys have been complaining about the anime girls that I post over there. So for those of you who don't know, I am the bad boy not only of YouTube Watch World, I'm also the bad boy of Instagram Watch World. But to give you a heads up, I am still posting on Instagram. It's crazy. I've gotten a huge amount of people writing to me being like, hey, why don't you post on Instagram anymore? I do, like multiple times a day, but Instagram's not serving you my content because I'm a bad boy. So here's the deal, guys. Still posting over at The Simple Consultant. Again, if you type in the time teller on Instagram, I show up, blue check mark. If you type in The Simple Consultant, I show up, blue check mark. I'm verified, baby. Only one of me out there. And some of you probably think that's already too much. But yeah, guys, we have a bunch going on, not only here on YouTube, but we're having a whole lot of fun on Instagram. I do reels almost every day, a bunch of really fun little comedy bits that people are having a ton of fun with. I do daily anime chick posts. So for those of you guys who want to argue over who the ultimate waifu is, I'm down to have that argument over on Instagram. Again, daily anime chicks. Check them out only at the Time Teller channel. On Instagram, we do Throttle Thursday, where I repost everyone's car pics. So if you tag me in your post of your car every Thursday, all day, I repost them. And then we do Fanatic Friday, where I repost everyone's watch pics that tags me. So guys, we have a ton of interaction, a ton of fun. And again, I've been posting regularly. Unfortunately, I am shadow banned because of lewd content, because some people... Dude, they're cartoons, bro. Come on. What? A little boobies never hurt nobody. But yeah, I just thought I'd make an episode to let you guys know that I'm still on Instagram. So if you can't see me, it's because Instagram doesn't want you to see me. So how can we fix this? Well, what you do is you go to my Instagram page and then you press the bell icon, just like I ask you to do here. Well, you put on notification posts, so every time I post, you get notified and you can interact with me, because again, I try to respond to everyone's comments. I try to respond to everyone's DMs, but I get like 100 a day, so you guys kind of have to have some patience there. But again, every Thursday I repost car pictures. Every Friday I repost watch pictures. Just tag me and you will be featured on my Instagram. Guys, I love you. Thanks for supporting me everywhere I go. I don't take that for granted. I love you. I will catch you on the next one. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay blessed. I'm Jory Goodman, the Time Teller. And always remember, I didn't invent time. I just tell it. By the way, it is 4:01 p.m. We just got down to business.